You hit the button, you heat it up.
Charles Whistler vapes medical marijuana for his insomnia and anxiety.
Calms me down. It takes, all the thoughts, running mind. Like, what do I got to do next all the time? So that kind of just eases my mind. I can go to bed and just relax.
The 26-year-old got a job at the Pepperidge Farm plant in Denver, Lancaster County.
I showed my medical marijuana card to him. They had told me that I was completely okay, everything was going to be fine.
But then it wasn't fine. He hit something with a forklift and had to take a urine drug test, which came up positive. THC, the psychoactive component in cannabis, can stay in the system long after marijuana use. Whistler says he was told he could return to work if he had a clean urine test and took substance abuse classes.
I don't want to be labeled as, a drug addict, because that's kind of what I felt like.
Did you ever use medical marijuana on the job?
Oh, never. I would never. No. Work is a different thing. My time at home is my time at home.
Pepperidge Farm says employees are not permitted to be under the influence of a controlled substance while on the job, but it does not have a specific medical marijuana policy. In an accident, employees are required to be drug tested, including for THC. If it comes up positive, they're referred to a third-party drug counselor. But the company says our goal is to retain employees.
A lot of employers are, being forced to confront it.
The Pennsylvania Chamber of Business and Industry says many employers are looking for a clarification in the law.
The concern, though, is that the law, currently says that employers can, be sued if they discriminate against someone who uses medical marijuana. But then there are also exceptions for different purposes, and if there's not clarity, then it really puts both patients and employers in a very difficult position.
The law sets limits for employees in certain jobs, like working with high voltage, but it's vague about other work.
Keep in mind that cannabis is a very new area of law.
Harrisburg attorney Judith Castle specializes in cannabis issues.
The law has to make clear that you, as an employee, are protected unless you act under the influence, much like any other drug.
Castle says the courts often look to company policy manuals.
So employers really need to take a sharp look at their employee manuals, and employees need to refer to them before they enter the program or get hired at a specific employment.
I have a new position that accepts my medical marijuana card.
He never returned to Pepperidge Farm, and he and his wife are disappointed at how things worked out.
That's where he wanted to retire, and then just be pulled out from under the rug by one little mistake. That wasn't fair.
I guess being honest sometimes can bite you in the butt.
Susan Shapiro on your side, News 8.